In the blink of an eye, life can change forever. Hello, I'm Erin Grahl, a personal injury attorney at Grahl Law Group. And today, I want to take you through the steps of a personal injury case. Whether it's a car accident, slip and fall, or any other type of injury caused by someone else's negligence, the aftermath can be overwhelming, leaving you with mounting medical bills, lost wages, and physical and emotional pain. If you or someone you know has suffered from a personal injury, this information will be valuable in understanding the legal process. So let's get started. Part 1, the incident and seeking medical attention. The timeline of a personal injury case usually begins with the unfortunate incident that caused your injury. The very first step is to seek medical attention immediately. Your health and well-being are the top priority. Make sure to document all injuries and medical treatment you received during this time. This documentation will be crucial in your case. Part 2, consultation with a personal injury attorney. After receiving medical attention, it's time to consult with a personal injury attorney. During this consultation, the attorney will review your case, gather details about the incident, assess the evidence, and determine the strength of your claim. Most reputable personal injury attorneys offer a free consultation, so there's no upfront cost to discuss your case. Part 3, investigation and gathering evidence. Once you decide to proceed with a personal injury claim, your attorney will launch an investigation into the incident. This involves collecting evidence such as accident reports, witness statements, photographs, surveillance footage if it's available, and any other relevant documentation that can support your case. This thorough investigation forms the foundation of a strong claim. Part 4, negotiations with insurance companies. Following the gathering of evidence, your medical diagnosis and treatment, your attorney will enter into negotiations with the responsible party's insurance company. It's essential to understand that insurance companies often seek to settle for the lowest amount possible. Having an experienced attorney on your side will ensure that your rights are protected and you receive fair compensation for your injuries and damages. Part 5, filing a lawsuit. If negotiations with the insurance company don't lead to a satisfactory settlement, the next step is filing a lawsuit. Your attorney will draft a complaint, which is a formal legal document outlining the claims against the responsible party. The complaint is then filed with the court, initiating the legal process. Part 6, discovery. Once the lawsuit is filed, both parties engage in a process called discovery. During discovery, each side exchanges relevant information, evidence, and documents related to the case. Depositions are also taken during this time. This step allows both parties to understand the strengths and weaknesses of the other's case. Part 7, mediation and settlement. In personal injury cases, the court will require both parties to attempt mediation before proceeding to trial. During mediation, a neutral third party, the mediator, assists in facilitating settlement negotiations. If a fair settlement is reached, the case can be resolved without going to trial, saving time and resources. Part 8, trial. If a settlement cannot be reached during mediation, the case proceeds towards trial. During the trial, both parties present their evidence and arguments to a judge or jury, who will then decide the outcome of the case. Trials can be complex and time-consuming, but your attorney will be there to guide you every step of the way. Part 9, appeals. After a trial, either party may choose to appeal the court's decision if they believe there were legal errors or other issues that affected the outcome. The appellate court will review the case and may uphold the decision, reverse it, or send it back for a new trial. Part 10, resolution and compensation. Once all legal proceedings are complete and a favorable outcome is achieved, you may receive compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and any other damages awarded by the court or agreed upon through settlement. I hope this timeline provided you with valuable insights into the personal injury case process. Remember, if you or a loved one ever find yourself in a situation, seeking legal representation early on can make a significant difference in the outcome of your case. If you have any questions or need assistance with a personal injury case, feel free to reach out to us at Grahl Law Group. We are here to help.